We are Julia and Sven from Germany and travel around the world in our van Daisy. Our dog Felix joins us on all of our adventures, no matter where we go. In last week's episode, we spent the night in a crane hotel and explored more of the Netherlands. Our time in this beautiful country is almost over, but we just cannot miss another typical Dutch experience before we leave: staying in a windmill.
Welcome to... Oh my god, it's coming! Scheiße! Welcome to... Scheiße, ich hab das mit den Armen verkackt, glaube ich. Welcome to our Windmill! Schon wieder weg. Ja, irgendwie so gemacht! Welcome to our Windmill! Besides staying in a houseboat, by the way, check, staying in a windmill is probably the most authentic Dutch experience you can have in the Netherlands. This mill was built in 1869 and it's totally modernized from the inside, and you can actually rent this mill on Airbnb. There's a huge outdoor area in front of the mill, definitely enough space for a whole family, because you can sit here, 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 or even here, or here. We have a trampoline for the kids in the garden, or maybe for me. Ooh! And if you want to tour the area, you can use the bikes, because we're in the Netherlands, of course. And from here, we can enjoy the view. Like at most Airbnbs, we got the key at a hidden spot. It is right here at this huge wing.
That's so cool.
Yeah. So our host told us the key code and we got the key and got straight into the mill. So let's show you what is inside.
Okay, so follow me inside. All doors are out of glass, so we have the perfect view from the inside out. After entering, we are right in the living area of the windmill, and over here we got a huge kitchen. There's enough space to cook your own meals. Sink over here and cooking area over here. An oven, which is nice because we already bought something to put in there. Pizza! And most importantly, as always, a coffee machine, and they even placed some coffee capsules for us. And for the lazy ones like us, there's even a dishwasher. We got a little neighbor. Hi you, kitty.
Now that I got my coffee, it's even more of a pleasure to show you this place. As you already saw, this is the big table where you can have your lunch, your dinner with your whole family. And right next to the table we got our living area with this super comfortable couch. We already tried it out, believe me, it's really nice. And then we have a little TV over there, but we will probably not use it anyways. The couch tables can be moved around. All these things are what we meant when we said that the interior was modernized. So the huge windows going all the way to the floor, all those natural light coming in make the place look so much brighter and larger. And those are the original walls. I mean, they're beautiful. And this may be obvious because it's a windmill, but this whole room or even the whole apartment is circular shaped and also shaped like a dome.
So cool. Never seen a place like that before. Let's go all the way up. This is the bedroom. There's not much in this room except for a huge king-size bed. We already tried it out last night and it's so good. Like downstairs, there are many windows here as well. And if you want to have some privacy, you can just put that up. Ta-da! The bathroom is over here. Come in. Toilet, heater for the towel, sink, mirror with a big lamp on top, and most importantly, a huge shower.
And from the bathroom we'll go to the next room of the mill, which is another floor up. So this is Teddy's room, as you see. No, just kidding. This is, I mean, the actual mill itself. So you can see all those old, I don't know.
How that's called.
How that's called in English. I don't even know how it's called in German.
Leave a comment if you know.
Yeah. But it looks beautiful. I mean, it's the original stuff. And obviously this is actually the children's bedroom. So perfectly, if you want to visit with your family, that's no problem at all. So there's one more floor up here, and we actually don't have a clue what is behind there, so let's find out together. Sheesh.
Heavy?
No, actually it's not, but... Whoa. Come on, come on.
We are getting some work done. This guy is slumbering. And we just noticed how beautiful the sunset actually is. Now you can see it. Wow, the sky is on fire. Our hosts gave us some apple juice because the region where we are in, which is called Zealand, is actually famous for it. So let's try it out.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Very nice.
Bye bye, Windmill.
Bye bye.
Okay guys, that's it from this week's video and from our time in the windmill. Right now we're actually at a McDonald's parking lot just in front of the Belgian border. Next week you will see another video from all the food we tasted in the Netherlands, and yeah, after that our journey continues in Belgium. Now to your part.
So like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Woo! We made it!
Yeah, so that you don't miss our food tour next week. See you then, I would say.
Bye!
In this video we will take you on a food tour through the Netherlands.
My grandma used to love this.
Croquette, so it's beef, it's a beef stick, a fried beef stick I guess.
Our huge order arrived.
Look at that, oh there's so much good stuff.
We'll try it first.